In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Microsoft Edge full screen in just a few seconds. This is a super simple trick, but it's really useful if you want more space on your screen, remove distractions, and focus better while browsing, watching videos, or working online. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right into this. Let's switch it in first. Open Microsoft Edge and look to the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the three dots menu icon there. Click those three dots to open the main menu. Once the menu drops down, look for the full screen icon next to the zoom controls. It usually appears right beside the plus and minus zoom buttons. Click that full screen icon and Edge will instantly switch into full screen mode. The browser will expand to fill your entire display, giving you a cleaner and more immersive view. This is perfect when you want to hide the top bars and maximize your viewing area. If you ever want to exit full screen, just press the F11 key on your keyboard. That will bring Edge back to normal window mode right away. And that's all there is to it. Now you know how to make Edge full screen and how to exit it whenever you want. If this quick tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an easy tech tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.